In the introduction video I made about live betting, I discussed how live betting can offer advantages over pre-match betting. In pre-match betting, even if you conduct thorough form analysis, such as predicting over 2.5 goals, external factors like weather can influence match outcomes. Additionally, a stronger team may underperform due to fatigue, leading to unexpected results. However, with live betting, you can observe match trends before placing your bets. In this video, I'll share strategies that can significantly increase your earnings if implemented correctly. After watching, you might even consider abandoning pre-match betting altogether and focusing solely on in-play betting, especially if you're a high-stakes bettor who prefers low odds. To trade on in-play matches, the first step is to select the games you want to place bets on. As you know, live betting is not like pre-match betting where you can select 5 or more games at a time. You have to make things as easy for yourself as possible. Making the games easy for you to track is important because you want to be able to use your live score app to follow the game stats and performance, while also checking the betting site regularly for odds changes, so I advise you to only use 2 games per match time. For example, on a match day, different matches are divided at different times across all leagues. What you need to do is select 2 matches out of all the other games that are to be played at a particular time. You can choose up to 3 games at a time if you can follow them easily, but I prefer 2. Next, do your form analysis before the match starts so that you will know all the possible outcomes the match might produce. You want to have more than one option for the sake of value betting. For instance, for a match between Mallorca and Cadiz. After analysis, the potential outcome can be over 1.5 goals, under 3.5 goals, Mallorca win or draw, and so on. This is because, when the match is live, one of the options might have low odds, and you might want to move on to a more likely outcome with value odds. I suggest that you stick to only goal markets, double chance, and straight wins. When the match is live, I will advise you to wait for at least 10 to 20 minutes before you start placing your live bet. This is to study how the game is going in terms of the performances of the teams with the help of live score or live update apps like SofaScore, AI Score, or All Football app. Now, for the analysis after the match is live, if you want to pick the straight win option after the match is live, use your live update app to check the live statistics. If the stronger team has more possession, more shots on target, and more shots taken, and shows higher attack momentum after the 10th or 15th minute, even when the match is still 0-0, then choosing the favorite team to win is relatively safe. You can also use this technique for games between teams that are closely matched in abilities. If you want to bet on goal, for example, in one match you want to bet on under 3.5 after 15 minutes, just check the statistics for the number of shots taken and the ones on target. If both teams have only a few shots with no shots on target, or a few shots with just 1 or 2 targets, and the attack momentum is flat or low for the majority of 15 minutes, then the chance of the game having less than 2 goals is quite certain, especially if that was one of the potential outcomes your form analysis gave you before the match. You can do the opposite for over 1.5 goals. Take note that using live update stats won't provide you with all of the information, it can only help to a certain degree. Watching matches live gives you a better understanding of the flow of the game, momentum shifts, and any sudden changes that could impact your bets. To achieve more accurate results, you can wait until halftime to place your bets, allowing you to study the game better and gather more information about it. When placing bets, the 2 games you've chosen should offer maximum odds of 2 or higher if you select good value odds, or at least 1.80 or 1.50. For example, if you stake $20 on 1.50 odds, the potential win would be $30. When you win a round, you can keep $10 and then select another 2 pre-match games for another time, conduct your analysis, stake $20 again when they are in play, and then repeat the whole process. Live betting is simpler than you might think, but an important tip to remember is that high or low odds don't determine the outcome. For instance, if you want to bet on over 1.5 goals for a live match after 20 minutes and the odds are as high as 2.0, or if you want to pick the stronger team to win but they've conceded 1 goal after 30 minutes and their odds to win are now 4.0. High or low odds don't mean that betting companies know what the outcome will be. Rather, the odds increase based on the time used or time left when a betting option is yet to be an outcome or because of the margin of result. Making money with live or in-play betting in soccer requires careful planning, strategy, and discipline. The most important skill you need to master to make money is good form analysis skills and the ability to use your live update app to read live stats and performance.